Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful friends, and hello to any new viewers. If you are new today, welcome. My name is Anna. I post new videos every single week about home, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, I would love for you to click that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. That way you all are notified whenever my new uploads go up. So obviously by the title of my video, I am doing a Louis Vuitton bag unboxing today on the Petite Noe. I am so excited for this video. It is so long overdue. Also, quick disclosure before I get started in this video, no means do I put my haul or review videos out to brag, flaunt certain things. I am very aware that I am extremely blessed and fortunate to be able to have disposable income to be shopping right now. I know there are a lot of people who aren't working right now and they are in much worse situations. In no way do I mean to put this video out and be insensitive to those certain types of situations. I truly hope that this video is just something that is informational if you are looking to purchase this bag, if you've been saving up for it, or if you've been working hard for it. So yeah, I definitely think that I won't be purchasing another luxury bag for quite a while. I just recently got the Clapton backpack a few months ago, and now I have this Petite Noe, so I can already see myself using these for a long time, and I really don't feel the need to add another bag to my collection. So if you already don't know, the Noe bag from Louis Vuitton comes in so many different forms. I believe you can just get like the regular Noe bag, and then you have the Noe BB, and then you have the newer ones that they recently came out with the tassel that just slides up and down. This bag is one that I have kept my eye on for quite a while, but they actually had sold out online and they had no availability in stores. For the entire time I had been eyeballing it, I would casually just go on the website and kind of window browse through and see what bags were available. But if you know Louis Vuitton, a lot of their bags are sold out online. It's very hard to get a hold of certain ones, including the Petite Noe. So recently the stores opened up and I had gone into one of the Louis Vuitton stores, not where I lived, but where my sisters lived. I had zero intention of actually purchasing anything that day. I just went in there to browse, which is something I learned. You never just go look at something. You never just go look at a house. You never just go look at a brand new car. You never just go look at a puppy. You always end up getting it somehow, in some way. And if you don't, then you're a better person than I am. But that's exactly what happened to me with the Petite Noe. I went into the store with the intention of just walking around and browsing, seeing what was new, what they had on the floor, and I ended up walking away with a bag that I wanted. And I don't think it helps because with the new COVID guidelines, you actually can't just browse around the store, which I had no idea. You actually can only go in groups of 2 or 3. You cannot leave your sales associate or the table that you're standing at, so you actually have to let them know what bag you are interested in looking at, and then they bring it out and show it to you. It's not like the old experience where you can just walk around and they pour you a glass of champagne and all that good stuff. So there definitely was a little more pressure as well, having the sales associate stand right in front of me and look at me kind of trying on the bag, which no bad words to the sales associate. He was wonderful. He was not pressuring me at all, but it definitely made a difference. And you could just walk in the store and walk out without having to speak to anyone. He'd ask me what bag I wanted to see, and out of curiosity I said, well, do you have the Petite Noe? And surprisingly he said yes, which I was not expecting. So the fact that they actually had it in store for me to look at, and I think this is where Louis Vuitton kind of gets you, is the exclusivity of it. It's like you can't get it online, but here it is in store, it's in front of me. I know they don't have it in any of the stores near me, so should I take advantage of this? So I think that's where they got me as well, was the exclusivity, and when is the next time I'll be able to purchase this bag if it becomes available? So yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing, sharing with you the bag details and the specs, how it looks on as far as mod shots, and I will go over the cons of the bag as well. So I'll make sure to be brutally honest with you guys and let you know my overall review, thoughts, and opinion. Okay, so the Petite Noe comes in this huge box, which I am not used to, which I had to somehow fit in my luggage when I flew back to California. But what I did was I just stuck it in the suitcase and then put all my clothing inside of the Louis Vuitton box. You can see this box is huge. I just think I was surprised because when I ordered my Clapton backpack online, it came in a much smaller box. Yeah, but it makes a really cute little decoration piece in my closet. And just like the box, it comes in this very big Louis Vuitton dust bag. Okay, and here is the beautiful bag itself. myself. I don't know about you guys, but whenever I purchase a new luxury bag, I mean, this is only my third one, but it just feels like such a gratifying accomplishment. Like, I worked so hard for this. It is such a satisfying purchase. So, a little background that I think is really cool. So, Louis Vuitton actually invented this bag way back when, I forget the year, but it was actually used to carry around, I believe, champagne bottles. So this was the original purpose of the Petite Noe, was to carry champagne. If you guys care at all why I picked the Petite Noe, I really wanted a bag from them that was in the classic monogram style. And one reason I was also really attracted to this particular bag was because of the light leather, which I know fades over time. I forget the word for it. I'm sorry, I'm not an expert, but this leather does fade over time. It turns into a darker, more vintage style, which I'm personally okay with, but nonetheless, I love the color scheme of it. I love the dark brown against the light leather. The handles have a little bit of that brownish red kind of detailing in there as well. And one thing that really surprised me about this bag is how thick this strap is. You can really fit a lot in here, and it could get heavy, and this strap is so sturdy and thick, which was really surprising to me. I love the gold detailing. I originally had my eye on the Noe BB, but when I tried on the Noe BB, because I am a shorter girl, I didn't like how long the length was on this. I really liked the Petite Noe because of how much shorter it sat when it was on my shoulder. Admittedly, the salesman did try to get me to look at the newer Petite Noes that they have out, the ones that don't have the physical drawstrings, the one that you can kind of just slide it up. I forget what it's called, but I'll put an image in here somewhere. And I really did like that one because the way it held its shape, but I was really a fan of this light leather right here. This is what really sold me on the bag. As much as I loved that the other one held their shape better and their form, I just really wanted something that looked the classic Louis Vuitton bag in the way that they have their Neverfulls or their Speedies. I just think that the Petite Noe is one of their classic vintage bags that never really go out of style, and it's something that I hope I will be using this bag 10-20 years from now. It's an investment. I didn't pick this bag because I thought it was a trending or fun piece. I didn't pick anything with crazy colors. It's something that I genuinely want to wear this bag for a long time, and I don't want it to go out of style. And I feel like in a way this bag has already made its comeback. So yeah, one thing also that I love about this bag is how much it fits. Just so you guys can get an up close view, this strap is extremely thick, and you can adjust the buckles to where you can have it longer or shorter, but because I am shorter, I'm about 5'2", I do keep it on the shortest hole, and same on the other side. As far as detailing up close, I personally like to just tie it in a bow or leave the straps hanging open. This is not a bag I would carry with me if there's a lot of pickpocketers or if I'm traveling to maybe Europe. I probably wouldn't bring this bag. This is definitely something more of an everyday bag that I would use, or just even smaller traveling trips. So this is kind of how it scrunches up. If you look up close, you can see the Louis Vuitton logos there as well. And here is an up-close view of the leather and the canvas print. What I also love is it has the Louis Vuitton Paris logo printed at the top of the strap as well. Okay, so I'm sure you want to see some mod shots of me actually wearing the bag, so I'll go ahead and try it on for you guys. Just keep in mind that I am 5'2", and I do have it on the shortest strap. I know length is very important for me. A lot of the other Louis Vuitton bags are too long for my preference, so I like that this one sits right at my hip where I want it. Okay, the cons of this bag. I'm not even going to sugarcoat this to you guys. One of the things with the Petite Noe, at least with this version of the bag, its shape and how well it doesn't hold its shape. I actually ordered a bag organizer, which is a really common thing to do with this particular bag, just because if you don't fill it in enough, this part of the bag tends to go in. So one thing that I did order was a bag organizer off of Etsy. So once I put the bag organizer in, this is supposed to hold its shape better, and then it'll scrunch up at the top kind of like it's supposed to, but obviously it's not doing right now because I don't have the bag organizer in it. That is a con, but that is something that I knew going into purchasing the bag, so I'm not disappointed or upset. So with that being said, my bag organizer does come in within the next few days, so I'll stick it in there and let you guys know how it's holding up in the comment section below. The second big con to this bag is the color transfer because of the leather. I'm having such a big brain fart. I know what it's called. Leather of this ages into the darker brown and I forget, so forgive me, but if you are looking into this bag then you should know what I'm talking about. But another big con about this bag is the color transfer if you are wearing blue jeans like I am wearing right now. If I'm being honest, I haven't really been wearing this bag with my blue jeans. This is probably one of the first times that I am pairing it with this outfit. I've really been wearing this kind of like with leggings or with lighter color jeans. I think my first time wearing this bag out, I wore it with these cream pants from Topshop. So that is a big no-no with this, and it's a risk that I knew would happen if I got this bag, and it's something that I'm okay with. If you prefer the other PETIT NOEs, I believe they are about $400 more than this bag. Yeah, and if you guys want to know what I currently have inside my bag, I can share that with you as well, and then also share how roomy it is. This is probably one of the bigger bags that I've ever owned. I'm not really a big purse person, so for me it's actually really nice that I have all this room. There's more than enough storage for me in here, especially if I were to go on like a long road trip or travel. When travel opens up again, I can definitely fit a lot in here. Okay, so let's see what I fit in this bad boy. I really don't have a lot in here, and if you've seen my what's in my bag video, you know I really don't carry a lot. So I have my mask, essentials. I have my mini wallet. I carry 2 combs. Why I have 2 is beyond me. I really don't need that many. I have my 2 lip glosses, a mini travel deodorant, my camera clicker, my tripod for my Canon camera, and some hand sanitizer. I think when traveling I could probably also fit in my iPad mini in here, maybe a water bottle, and then some of Sophie's stuff for when I'm traveling, which is really nice. But as you can see, it is just so roomy in here. So the bag organizer is supposed to fit real nicely just right there. Obviously this didn't take up a lot of room at all. Alright, that is it for my video today, my friends. Like always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. If there is anything about this bag that I didn't address in this video, or any questions that you would like to ask, feel free to comment below. I do read each and every comment, and I do respond to them all as well. So let's keep it nice down there. Subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every week, so I will see you guys again very soon. Bye.